Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome to a journey where we take control of our financial destinies. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Does it feel like your hard-earned money just vanishes into thin air? Do you struggle to keep track of your spending? Maybe you find yourself wondering where all your money went at the end of the month. Let's face it, managing money can be tough. With so many expenses and financial obligations, it can feel overwhelming. In today's digital world, it's easy to overspend with a quick swipe of a card. The convenience of online shopping makes it even harder to resist. We've all been there, tempted by online sales and impulse purchases. Those buy now buttons are just too enticing. But don't worry, there's a time-tested solution that can help you regain control of your finances: the cash envelope system. This method is all about budgeting and discipline. This simple yet effective method has helped countless individuals and families escape debt, save money, and achieve their financial goals. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going. Intrigued? Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of the cash envelope system. We'll cover everything from setting up your envelopes to tracking your spending and staying motivated. First, you'll need to create budget categories that fit your lifestyle. These could include groceries, entertainment, transportation, and savings. Once you have your categories, allocate a specific amount of cash to each envelope. Throughout the month, use only the cash in your envelopes for your expenses. This physical limitation helps you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. At the end of the month, review your spending and adjust your budget as needed. With consistency and discipline, the cash envelope system can transform your financial habits. You'll find yourself more mindful of your spending and better prepared to handle unexpected expenses. So are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals? Let's get started. Before credit cards and online banking, people relied on a more tangible way to manage their money: cash. The cash envelope system harks back to this simpler time. It's a budgeting technique where you allocate specific amounts of cash into separate envelopes, each labeled for a different spending category. Think groceries, entertainment, transportation, and so on. The beauty of this system lies in its simplicity and visual nature. By physically dividing your money, you become more aware of where it's going. Plus, once an envelope is empty, that's it. No more spending in that category until the next budgeting period. Ready to give the cash envelope system a try? Great! This method is a fantastic way to manage your finances and ensure you stay within your budget. By using cash instead of cards, you can physically see how much money you have left, making it easier to control your spending. Let's dive into the details. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to better financial management in no time. 1. Identify your spending categories. This is the foundation of the cash envelope system. Start by listing all your regular expenses, such as groceries, rent, utilities, transportation, and entertainment. Don't forget to include occasional expenses like gifts or medical bills. 2. Set spending limits. This step is crucial for maintaining control over your finances. Decide how much cash you can allocate to each category based on your income and budget. Be realistic, and make sure to leave some room for unexpected expenses. 3. Label your envelopes. This will help you stay organized and ensure you know exactly where your money is going. Grab some envelopes and clearly label each one with a spending category. You can use different colors or designs to make them easily distinguishable. 4. Distribute your cash. This is where the magic happens. Withdraw the allocated amount for each category from your bank account and place it in the corresponding envelope. Make sure to do this at the beginning of each month or pay period, and that's it. You're all set to start using the cash envelope system. Remember, the key to success is discipline. Stick to your budget, and you'll find yourself in a much better financial position. Happy budgeting! The cash envelope system offers numerous benefits, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious individuals. 1. Visual accountability. Seeing and physically handling your money creates a tangible connection to your spending. 2. Reduced overspending. When the cash in an envelope runs out, you're forced to stop spending in that category, preventing overspending. 3. Increased savings. By sticking to your allocated amounts, you'll likely find yourself with extra cash at the end of the month, which you can save or put towards debt. 4. Simplified budgeting. The system eliminates the need for complex spreadsheets or budgeting apps, making it easy to track your spending. Section 5. Facing the challenges, potential drawbacks to consider. While the cash envelope system offers numerous advantages, it's essential to be aware of its potential drawbacks. First, there's the inconvenience. Carrying around multiple envelopes can be cumbersome, especially for larger purchases. Imagine being at a store and having to sift through several envelopes to find the right one. This can be time-consuming and a bit embarrassing if there's a line behind you. Additionally, the physical nature of the envelopes means they can be easily misplaced or lost. If you lose an envelope, you lose the money inside it. Unlike a debit or credit card, which can be canceled and replaced, cash is gone for good once it's lost. This can be particularly stressful if the lost envelope contained a significant amount of money. Then, there's the issue of limited security. Carrying cash around is inherently riskier than using cards. If your wallet or purse is stolen, the cash is unlikely to be recovered. This risk can make people feel uneasy about carrying large sums of money. Another drawback is the temptation to borrow from one envelope to cover a shortage in another. This can undermine the whole purpose of the system, which is to help you stick to a budget. If you frequently find yourself moving money between envelopes, it might be a sign that your budget needs to be adjusted. The temptation to borrow can be strong, especially if you have an unexpected expense or if you underestimated your spending in a particular category. This can lead to a cycle of constantly shifting money around, which can be both stressful and counterproductive. And finally, the cash envelope system is not ideal for all types of expenses. For instance, online subscriptions, automatic bill payments, and other digital transactions can't be easily managed with cash. This means you'll still need to use a bank account or a card for these expenses, which can complicate your budgeting process. In conclusion, while the cash envelope system can be a powerful tool for managing your finances, it's important to be aware of its limitations. By understanding these potential drawbacks, you can better prepare yourself to face the challenges and make informed decisions about whether this system is right for you. Certain expenses, like online subscriptions or automatic bill payments, might not be suitable for the cash envelope system. However, with careful planning and a bit of flexibility, you can find a balance that works for your unique financial situation. Section 6. Real-life success with cash envelopes. The cash envelope system has helped countless individuals and families gain control of their finances. Take Sarah, for example. Struggling with credit card debt, Sarah decided to try the cash envelope system. She diligently tracked her spending, allocated cash to her envelopes, and resisted impulse purchases. Within a few months, she had paid off a significant portion of her debt and was well on her way to achieving financial freedom. Stories like Sarah's demonstrate the transformative power of this simple yet effective budgeting method. Section 7. Is the cash envelope system right for you? The cash envelope system is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to gain control of their spending and achieve their financial goals. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires discipline, commitment, and a willingness to adapt your spending habits. Consider your lifestyle, spending patterns, and comfort level with handling cash before fully committing to the system. Section 8. Take charge of your money today. No matter your financial situation, taking control of your money is crucial for a secure and fulfilling future. The cash envelope system offers a practical and proven method to curb overspending, boost savings, and achieve your financial dreams. Give it a try and experience the difference it can make in your life. Section 9. Join the Focus to Finance community. Want more tips and tricks to manage your money like a pro? Subscribe to Focus to Finance today. Join our community of like-minded individuals and embark on your journey to financial success.